Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.